Let's combine a lot of things we've learned here to print out a string that's got 4 variables. Here's how we're going to do it. Notice my quote is going to equal double quotes, then my escape character, you may say I'm a dreamer, double quote, and quote 2 equals double quote, but I'm not the only one, backslash double quote, and then my double quote. So this is going to really say double quotes, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one, and double quotes. Then I'm going to have my multi-line quote, which is going to be my 3 single quotes. It could have even been 3 double quotes, rock and roll, and then on the next line, will never die, 3 single quotes. In my print statement, it's going to say I've got 4 strings that I want printed. And here they are, all 4, %S. John Lennon space dash space will be printed first in the first substitution string. Then I'm going to print out in the second substitute string quote, and then I want quote 2 in the third %S, and then I want the multi-line quote in the fourth substitution. So it's going to say John Lennon dash space, double quote, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one, double quote, rock and roll, go to the next line, we'll never die. That's how it's done.